Hello friends, in this video we will see some more problems based on profit and loss. So let us consider if the cost price of 12 pencils 12 pencils is equal to selling price of 8 pencils. Selling price of 8 pencils. So find the gain percentage. We have to find the gain percentage. Okay. So the cost price of 12 pencils is equivalent to selling price of 8 pencils. Then we have to find the gain percentage. Okay. So let us assume the cost price of each pencil. The cost price of each pencil equivalent to 1 rupee is 1 rupee. So then consider this one, the selling price of 8 pencils. So if 8 pencils are there, the cost price of 8 pencils is cost price of 8 pencils equivalent to how much? 8 rupees. Why? Because we assume the cost price of each pencil is 1 rupee. So then the cost price of 8 pencils is equal 8 rupees. So then the selling price of 8 rupees, selling price of 8 pencils equivalent to, according to the given question, the selling price of 8 pencils is equivalent to cost price of 12 pencils. So that means the cost price of 12 pencils is how much? Each pencil is 1 rupee cost, then it is 12 rupees. So if you see these two statements, whenever he is buying 8 pencils for 8 rupees. But whenever he is selling 8 pencils for 12 rupees. So, so if you observe this one here, the selling price of 8 pencils is greater than the cost price of 8 pencils. Okay. So that means there is a gain is there. So the gain percentage is given by gain by cost price. So here the cost price is 8 and the gain is 12 minus 8. So that is 4 into 100. So 1 by 2 is equivalent to 50 percentage gain is there. Okay, 50% gain is there. So I hope you got this one. So we will see one example, another example, same like this question only. Okay. So for example, so the cost price of 19 books is equivalent to selling price of 16 books. Okay, selling price of 16 books. We have to find the gain percentage. We have to find the gain percentage, right? So let us assume the cost price of each book is equal 1 rupee. Okay, 1 rupee. So in this case, the cost price of 16 books. Okay, cost price of 16 books is going to be cost price of 16 books equivalent to 16 rupees. Okay, and then the selling price of 16 books equivalent to selling price of 16 books is equivalent to cost price of 19 books. The cost price of 19 books is going to be 19 rupees. Okay, so the cost price of 16 books is 16 rupees and the selling price of 16 books is 19 rupees. So obviously the selling price is greater than cost price for 16 books. Okay, so that means there is a gain is there. So the gain percentage is calculated by, so gain percentage is equal to gain by cost price. So what is the gain? So for 16 rupees he is selling for 19. The gain is 19 minus 16. So that is 3 by, that is cost price 16 into 100. Okay. So into 100. So this is going to be, okay, 2 8 ja and 250 and 2 4 ja 225 ja. Okay, 25 3 ja 75 by 4. 75 by 4. So if you take this one, so 4 1 ja 4, 4 80 32, 4 into 8 32. So that is left 3 by 4 percentage. So 18 3 by 4 percentage gain. 18 18 3 by 4 percentage is the gain. So this is the way to solve the problems. This kind of problems. Okay. So Whenever you get this kind of the cost price of some items is equal selling price of some more items like this one, whenever the problem is in this format, so you can use this procedure to solve that kind of problem. So I hope you got this one. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.